When you think of waves, you probably think of water. But did you know that light and sound travel in waves too? Look at the waves below. The top of a wave's curve is called the crest. The bottom of the wave's curve is called the trough. The distance from one crest to the next crest, or from one trough to the next trough, is called wavelength. Amplitude is the measurement from the middle level of a wave to the crest or down to the trough. The number of waves that pass a point in 1 second is called frequency. Frequency is measured in hertz. A measurement of 1 hertz means one full wave passes a point in 1 second. If 12 waves pass a point in 1 second, the frequency would measure 12 hertz. Waves. Energy travels in waves. Medium is a substance that energy travels through. Mechanical waves require a medium to travel. Sound waves, earthquake or seismic waves, and ocean waves are all mechanical waves that require a medium in order to travel. Electromagnetic waves do not need a medium to travel. They can transfer energy through empty space. The energy received from the sun, radiant energy, is transferred through space by electromagnetic waves. Parts of a wave. The wavelength is the distance between two consecutive troughs or two crests. The equilibrium is the midpoint or the resting point of the wave. The crest is the top of a wave, and the trough is the bottom of a wave. The amplitude is the height of the wave. Amplitude and wavelength. The amplitude is the height of a wave. It tells us how bright light is or how loud sound is. Wavelength is the distance between two crests. It tells us the type of light. The wavelength tells us what type of electromagnetic radiation we have, the type of ray or wave. We have radio waves, microwaves, infrared rays, the only type of light that we can see, visible light, ultraviolet rays, X-rays, and the most energetic, gamma rays. The amplitude tells us the intensity or brightness of the light. A high amplitude means a brighter light, and a low amplitude means a dimmer light. Frequency of a wave. The frequency of a wave is measured by how many wavelengths go past a point in 1 second. Frequency is measured in hertz. For light waves, a high frequency means a high energy wave like gamma rays. For sound waves, a high frequency means a high-pitched sound like the voice of a soprano opera singer. Frequency. In a 1 second interval, we can count the frequency of this wave. There are 2 waves in the 1 second time period, therefore it has a frequency of 2 hertz. Here we can count almost 4 waves in 1 second. Therefore, there are 4 wavelengths per second or 4 hertz. The longer the wavelength, the lower the frequency. The shorter the wavelength, the higher the frequency.